Hello everyone. In this video I am speaking with you on how to make money with Web3, and this is a step-by-step beginner's guide. You see, many rich people are making money in other ways that the poor people cannot. But Web3 have come to give a level playing ground. So this is the advantage that everyone has without being held back. So Web3 is revolutionizing the internet. It's allowing individuals to earn, own, and participate in the digital economy in ways that were not possible before. Unlike the traditional web, which is Web 2, where platforms like Facebook and YouTube control your content and earnings, Web 3 is decentralized, and this gives more control to every user. If you are wondering how to make money with Web3, this video offers a simple step-by-step guide to get started, especially useful if you are based in Africa or other emerging economies. Step number 1 is to understand what Web3 is. Web3 refers again to the next generation of the internet. It is powered by blockchain technology. It includes the following: cryptocurrency, like Ethereum, Solana, and many more. NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens. DeFi, which are decentralized finance, and DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. We also have dApps, decentralized applications. Then we have play to earn and learn to earn platforms. Those are the airdrops. Now, you have to learn basic blockchain and crypto concepts through platforms like CoinMarketCap and or Binance Academy. Step number 2, set up a Web3 wallet. You need a Web3 wallet to store your tokens and interact with decentralized platforms. The most common options are MetaMask, browser extension and mobile app, Trust Wallet, mobile app, Phantom Wallet for Solana users. Save your seed phrase securely. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Step number 3 is that you need to earn crypto for free, and this is beginner friendly. That is why I said this is the opportunity for the poor or for those who say they are poor. And how do you earn crypto for free? You do that through airdrops. Join early stage Web3 projects that offer free tokens to early users. Look out for galzi.com, layer3.xyz, Zili, formerly Crew3, and many more, which are out there. Sometimes some people want to ask, okay, how do we know the best? You look at their fundamentals. Who are the people sponsoring them? Who are the people pushing them forward? Who are the owners? And then from there also you look at if they're asking for ton transaction, asking to make some payment, all these kind of things. If they're asking to make payment, you want to get something for free, and you're asking me to pay payment, then you know that that thing may have somehow to eat. So in step 3, which is earn crypto for free, you can use airdrops. You can also use learn to earn, platforms that pay you in crypto for learning. Coinbase Earn is one of them. Binance Learn and Earn is one of them. BitDegree is one of them. Then Rabbit Hole is another one. Then play to earn, P2E games. Earn crypto or NFTs from playing blockchain games like Gods Unchained, Exer Infinity, The Sandbox, Step N for walking or running. Now, the first step is that you have to start freelancing in Web3 if you want to earn. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, marketing, programming, especially Solidity, Rust, JavaScript, you can earn crypto by offering services on platforms like The Work for DAO related tasks, CryptoJobsList.com, then LaborX, Fiverr, and Upwork. So you can learn you can earn from this when you do some task. On Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer or thereabout, you have to filter for Web3 gigs. Then step 5 is that you have to create and sell NFT. This is another option you have to be able to make money in the Web3 economy. Artists, musicians, and creatives can mint NFTs and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, Magic Eden for Solana NFTs. You earn royalties each time your NFT is resold. Then use platforms like Canva, Adobe Express, or Midjourney AI to create your work. Then number 6, explore decentralized finance, investing and staking. With decentralized finance, you can lend your crypto to earn interest, e.g. on AAVE compound. Stake coins like ETH, Matic, or SOL for passive income. Provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Start with small amounts if you want to invest. Decentralized finance can be risky without proper knowledge. Number 7 way you can make money with Web3 as a beginner is to join DAOs and get paid for contributing. DAOs are decentralized organizations where you can earn for attending meetings, completing community tasks, contributing to proposals or marketing. Example, Bankless DAO, Gitcoin DAO, Developer DAO. Many DAOs pay in stable coins on project tokens. Now, this is my final word for you or conclusion. You have to stay updated. Follow Web3 influencers on Twitter, join Discord groups, and subscribe to newsletters like the Defiant or Bankless. Avoid scams. Always double check links and don't share your wallet info. Keep learning. The more skills and understanding you have, the more opportunities you see. Now, before I go, let me give you a summary of Web3 opportunity earnings potential skill level. Under airdrop, I have learn to earn. The income, is it low to medium? It is low. Then it is for beginner, or for others, it is for beginner. NFT on its own is another one. And in the case of NFT, the payout is medium to high, and it is for creators. Airdrops also, the payout is low to medium, and it is for beginners. Freelancing, the pay is medium to high, it is for the skilled people. Play to earn games, the pay is low to medium, it is for casual gamer. DeFi staking, the payout is medium, and it is for those who are intermediate in the Web3 market. Then we have the DAO participation. It is the earning potential is medium, and it is for beginners. Web3 is not just a trend, it's a new internet economy where everyone and anyone, anywhere can earn, create, and thrive. Whether you are in Nigeria, Kenya, India, or the Philippines, this is your chance to tap into global income streams. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and on this channel, I bring you content on how to make money online and offline. If you have gained value from this video, please do well to subscribe, share, like the video, and ask me any question or drop your comment in the comment section below. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next video to